Hello YouTube, MES Religion here and I'm back again on the video. So there's breaking news coming in today. So Manchester United to sign Zlatan Ibrahimovic before Euro 2016, Sky sources. So let's get straight into it. So Manchester United will sign Zlatan Ibrahimovic before the start of the Euro 2016, Sky sources understand. So it's understood that United's executive vice chairman Edward Wood and Ibrahimovic's representatives are finalising terms on a one-year contract, with Jose Mourinho determined to make the Sweden international his first marquee signing at Old Trafford. And the free transfer following the expiration of his current PSG deal is expected to be completed before Sweden's first Group E match against Belgium on June 22nd. So Ibrahimovic is the only striker Mourinho wants to sign this summer, with the Portuguese convinced Marcus Rashford can make a significant impact at Old Trafford next season. So you can read this. The link to this will be in the description below, so go check it out. I'm speaking quite low because everyone's asleep, so I have to keep it down. But Zlatan Ibrahimovic will join Manchester United according to Sky sources, and kudos to Sky Sports because this is the first official confirmation we have had regarding Ibrahimovic to Manchester United. And Sky Sports are usually late and slow, and they're usually rubbish on transfer news, but on this one they're fast, and we pretty much knew Ibrahimovic is coming, but they're the first ones that made it official. So anyways, Zlatan Ibrahimovic to Manchester United. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.